Hey mate, we got a new setup tonight. Oh, I can hear my audio coming through these headphones over here. But yeah, we're set up on the couch. So majority of my coding actually occurs right in front of this TV I've got in front of me playing Stargate Atlantis of all things. And yeah, we're out here. We have the development PC right on the lap. So I like to work. Got a couple of things built actually on the couch that I'm going to show you. And huge shout out to Melody Zenith. You can find her on Bandcamp, Instagram, and Twitch. She actually let us use some of her music for these development streams. So we're going to have to explore some more of her tracks and send some donations over for them. But it feels wrong playing the music without doing that. But there's one track I like a lot, so let's pop on and test this out. It's completely wireless setup tonight. We are using Kynto to stream, so similar to how you see the podcast setups we have. Now I can just code wirelessly on the couch. I don't have to be plugged in. I can be comfortable. I can recline the couch. The dogs can jump up. It's way preferable. All right, let's see how this sounds. Dark wave and my style of coding goes so well together, so this is great. My style of coding goes so well together. Lovely. Yeah, this is perfect. Oh, it's a bloody new year. Can you imagine 2026? Can we move this out of the way? Yes, we can. Yeah, this setup's gonna be sweet. Definitely gonna be able to do more regular streaming and regular day streaming, because sitting in my office is actually quite uncomfortable unless I'm chilling on the couch back there. But we don't stream from that. We stream from the desk.
750D8F6A5600 join stream new.
G9, take it right to the couch. Walter, if you know what I'm talking about, we're running like 100-foot optical HDMI cord, and man, it works. It works good. Alright, let's take a wee look at what we are working on tonight. So, check this out. Essentially building a new website for Kynto, and you can actually see live Kynto behind this background here. Haven't got too much done, but it's going to have an informative video right up here. Right now it's got a 10-minute one. I'm actually going to be producing just a 30-second video that shows you the core features immediately from the live chat functionality, so bloody happy with it. And Kynto makes a fantastic background. Look at this. It's literally just Kynto. If I click enter Kynto, I'm right in the world. Incredible. Alright, what else do we have to do? Hook up chat. Right, hopefully I'm in the right room, because I'm not sitting next to my streaming computer, but we'll find out. You can see I'm literally sharing my desktop through Kynto. Man, it's working beautifully. It's taken a long time to get this all optimized. Now we can even share system audio directly from a MacBook. Before that only worked on Windows, so whew. It's good, man. It's good stuff. And we're just going to be using this computer up here as kind of a monitor. I need at least 2 screens, one for the coding editor and another to actually see my changes. Otherwise, we're going to be hopping about a bit. But I'm still going to have to do that because we are streaming and you can only see this screen shared directly. Could also share screen from here. I have 2 stacked videos. We'll figure it out. Right, so the main function of this landing page that we're working on is to really highlight the live chat features. The whole idea with Kynto is just like I host these virtual coding sessions with you. Other people are going to be able to come in and host their own little music shows, like Melody Zenith is playing the background track right now. Incredibly exciting. So we support how many services? YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Rumble, Discord, and then Kynto itself. Built this all from scratch, and yeah, got most of the kinks worked out. Now it's time to market it and get it in front of people, right? Let's do a quick look to see how the horizontal streams look on Twitch and that, because this is a new setup. Oh, we're burning the midnight oil up here as well. Try not to get carbon monoxide poisoning. Yeah, I think that'll work. Curious. Let's see if I share this webcam directly. Well, that would take out the audio share, so we won't do that, but we could share this one. Cheers for like. Test out the chat. Let's see if I can actually hear you chilling on the couch. As we're getting set up here, I've noticed it could even take up to 20-30 minutes before algorithmic discoverability in the YouTube platform. That's alright though, it's just how it works. We're currently set up in category Science and Technology. Did make a couple of changes to the description and the title here. I'm going to grab some coffee. We're not going to be on too long tonight. More try to go for doing just regular streams. Dogs try to lick the other dog's bum. You get on with it. Just do regular streams, so that's why it's important to make it more comfortable to do this. It's the most important part with YouTube, isn't it? Making sure you're regularly on. Otherwise, it's easy to lose all your progress. This is the quality look. See, we could bump up the resolution a little bit. Let's push the system a little bit, right? I have to come back, clean up this UI, man. It's when people use it. Alright. It's readable enough, innit? My coffee smells good. Let's have some coffee.
At Travis_Scotty123 said hi.
Travis Scotty. Hello, Happy New Year's, buddy. Thank you for testing out the system. I should have been able to hear it in my headphones, but I didn't, so we'll go see what's going on, but you should hear it in the stream. If you type !help, you'll see commands hopefully work as well. All that should work, even with this couch setup. Now, just by chatting in this system, you're helping me literally develop it. It's built for the lives. We'll find some other songs to play as well, but when I like a song, I play it in repeat anyway, so what are you gonna do? Bin for sugar. A wee bit of sugar and a wee bit of coffee. Building this new homepage out is going to make it easier to explain what Kynto is when new chatters show up. So it's always good when it does multiple things at once, isn't it? I need to set up a new place to put drinks so I don't want to spill them. Now let's first investigate why we did not hear chat readout. Okay, I think it's just because I didn't have this open. Let's test it.
@CodeLock says hello world.
We might have chat readouts disabled locally on this computer. You'll hear them on the stream. Give me a second here. There's a lot of settings built into this system. Text to speech is on. Chrome is funny, but the speech synthesizer API is brilliant, you know, to just have for free in the web browser. It's a wee bit buggy, at least when you're developing for it, maybe because I'm doing stuff I shouldn't be. But if I switch to these headphones, I'll try it again. These headphones literally let me hear what you hear. Try it again.
Testing 124.
No good if they're turned off.
$123.
Alright, we're in business. Let's see, what does Generic Network have to play? This is a good one.
They tune in, eyes wide with no thought inside. Frequencies feed the fear they hide. Famous dreams on a plasma screen. Puppets dancing in a lucid scene. They sell control in a pixel stream. Programmed hearts chasing someone's dream. The signal hums, you fall in line. A silent code rewires your mind. Every vision signs your fate. You can't escape what they create. Truth revealed in disguise. They teleport lies through your television. It's a mind decision. We're all remote controlled, bodies bought and sold. Television.
What's the name of that utility?
Scrolling feed till the brain decays. Influence floods in subtle waves. Leaders hiding in coded light. Turn your will into bites. They build the cage, call it free. Broadcast faith in apathy. Tilted truths that never land. You forgot your own command. Whisper. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. You're part of the program. Television. Master vision.
Interesting. We do that right in a card. Yes.
Screens go blind, touch triggers pull, but who's controlling what you've become? Television.
Good thing I coded a bunch of stuff already. What else we got?
At Nunahiri's friend said hi.
Noon here is friend. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What do you like to code? I got pizza as a float. Appreciate you, no one. I took a break on the streaming, but we're back to it. The biggest thing you could do to help is just show up and drop a like if you can.
You just gain a sub.
Man, you're a champ, thank you. Yeah, any questions about how I built any of this, or any ideas or anything you want to see me code? Let's do it. It's a huge project, it's ridiculous actually.
And a like.
You're a real champ. So we should see the stat bar update. And it picks that up. Let's see. There we go. I'll be back on tomorrow night. It's pretty regular stream schedule now. Sometimes we have guests as well. And it's all using the system I built. Like, they come in and share their cameras, screens, or microphones, and we just kind of hang out and build stuff together. And hopefully this creator that did the background music will host a little virtual concert using Kynto as well. The technology is called Kynto Live for what this is. I think we need to do a stream event where we code some mini games for the chat, because people tend to stick around on these lives when they see me hammering out code, and then they get to see their ideas come to fruition, like right in this. There's tons of rooms, you can even build your own. Everything's user generated. And it's currently an open beta. Let's take a look at the room the Italian guy made. He made the whole map of Italy. There it goes. Oh, we're good.
Cool.
And you see him carrying around a pizza right now, because we're working on making it so you can equip items to your avatar from the chat. So if you have a pizza or a sword or a fish, you can do all that. Come on. This isn't the room I wanted.
Is it just me, or did I just see 3 people leave at the same time?
No, we see that as well. I'll be honest though, sometimes the YouTube stats are inaccurate. And the reason I know that is because we had 5 people chatting the other day, and it said 1 person was watching. When they called it out, they're like, why is it only showing 1? I don't know. It's just pulled from YouTube API stats, and if you look at the YouTube app or site, wherever you're watching it, it's within sync to about 10 seconds, so I don't know. I did say too many swear words last month and got a content ID strike for showing something, so all that impacts the channel.
Maybe because of small content, maybe if this blows up, maybe the delay will stop.
That's a very good point. They definitely do put the small channels in the back burner. Good call out. I don't know if you're on Discord, but I have a Discord channel in my profile links. We've got like quite a few folks there that code or want to learn how to code. Plus they get notifications. Like, look, we could actually trigger that now, see if it brings anyone else on. So I've integrated all these services. You're a champ, thank you. Start connection. Populate live links. Let's see if that brings anyone on. Wow, 17 people on. Doubt many of them will come over, but it's still cool. And we have like a bunch of regulars that come on, but I have to get better with the stream timing. It's the biggest criticism I get. You know, not every stream's going to be banging fun and anything, just hanging out coding and talking about stuff I built too, so. But to be fair, that's what built up the subscribers I do have. It's just not taking it too seriously. As soon as I do, things go wrong. It's going to be a little mini game room. Like, things are going to spawn and then you have to go collect them. We'll have a little leaderboard. And you can also change your avatar clothing even from chat. Really need an artist to help. A lot of this art is when I was 12 years old. So, because that's when I started essentially working on this project. I've rewritten it like 30 different times. I do think there's a place for it, especially like making it so the audience can participate in streams. I've had people be like, why isn't this huge yet? And I'm like, still building it, I suppose. Definitely more of a coder than like a marketer or entrepreneur. Alright, screen share's getting a wee bit laggy, so we'll restart it. I've got a memory leak occurring in the WebRTC system here. It's painful to debug it, but alright, there we go. But check this out. You can have multiple different camera angles.
If this channel blows up,
the
game might break and lag a lot because of like 50 comments per second.
Yeah, I would love that. You'd get to see me suffer in real time, fix it, and get it done. Because we've had streams where we've had 50 people on. And yeah, things went wrong. But that's part of the fun. You get to see me deal with it. I think we could support maybe like 400, 500 people avatar-wise. Let me see. I set up a simulation. Oh, you're not seeing my screen right now. Let me share that again. Typically, I'm hosting streams in my office, like using wired OBS setup, but tonight we're using the software I built to do the wireless screen share and just code from the couch. Okay. Let's see. Alright, let's set up this command again so we can create a ton of avatars. Where did I code it? I think in here. Yeah, it's not processing the message. Because I changed the command structure from using colon to exclamation mark, which is how I've seen like other stream tools like Streamlabs and stuff works. But we'll get this set up. So right now we're in the server aspect of the Node.js. Let's just check commands. Yeah, we're not invoking this, that's the issue. Okay. Tempted to move this into the live command system, let people be able to mess with it. Let's see what we can do. So we'd be adding here instead, I think. Where is it? Here we go. We're going to do a spawn bot command as well as a spread command so we can see them all walk around, triggering the pathfinding. In a second here. I'm just going to kind of do some crap code just to demo it. Now we got spawn, now we need a spread. And maybe a remove command so we don't have to keep rebooting. And we're just doing
Love the
inline coding right
content.
now. Appreciate you. We've got an actual long form video coming out for this Monday. There's probably 3 videos that I have. They're not very long, that I think you should check out because you get to see like the system with a ton of people on it. I've even coded this for the PSP. And to see what I'm talking about, you'd have to watch the video.
WM 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 just for the lag.
Thank you for that. We will address that. See, if you were to do that, like, watch this, I'll do it, right?
Snappo says WMWMWMWM 123.
Someone else could cut it off, so I could have technically did that, but we need it to be automatic. Yeah, definitely pretty quiet on YouTube tonight. Even a couple of days ago we had a stream with 1,000 views. If you look at the average view duration, it's almost a minute, which is a good signal to YouTube. So we just keep regular, they'll keep sending more people over. If this was to go under 30 seconds, it would mean that YouTube's like, this is a crappy stream. Don't bother with it.
At MR Bossman SP6MG says cool.
Mr. Bossman, Happy New Year's, buddy. Cheers for checking in. We're about to give some bots, just so you can see how many chatters this could handle. And to be clear to YouTube algorithm listening, we're not doing this on YouTube, we're doing this in my system. You just get to see it on YouTube. Alright. Okay, we have that ready. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me code this. Okay. I can copy that. Right, now we need the spread command. Let's make more walkabout.
At official genre-centric network says yo.
Yo, buddy. Check out the new setup tonight. This is where I like to code and I'm just comfortable. We're doing a full wireless Kynto dev too, so if you see my screen and hear music. Yeah, we've got a literal lantern burning up there. Let's pop on one of your songs, man, because I can wirelessly play music way easier now, so let's do that. There we go. This is genre-centric network, guys. Make sure you drop him a sub if you can.
The Love Yourself song was lit.
You want me to pop that one?
Just once, haha.
Alright, let's do it. You know I like this one though, but that's alright. I actually played it when I started to stream, I think. Alright, here we go. Jannar-centric network on YouTube, folks. He's also at best mod. How's the audio quality though, PH? This is coming through Kynto. As you see, I'm literally sharing screen on my LAN here. Right into Kynto.
Appreciate you, bud.
Appreciate you too, buddy.
Kind words.
Alright, we're ready for a server restart. Let's try to spawn a bunch of... Oh, PH, before I get into this. Dude, I started coding a new landing page for Kynto. It's still a work in progress. It looks like crap, but Kynto's behind it. Like, watch. So we'll load downtown behind it. Pretty cool, right? Let's go have like a 30-second video just being like immediately like, this is what Kynto does with the live chat. And you could just hop right into the game and watch. Alright, let's go to another room and test the boss. Oh, not that one. But here we have light in there, Cody.
That's sick.
Hell yeah. So I also started coding it so you could equip items. So PH, you could equip a light to your character, and as you walk around, you like illuminate like a dungeon or something. Right now I just have it so you can carry a pizza, but that's the idea. That was good.
Haha, I like the house.
Yeah, good Halloween house. Oh, this one's got a password. What's the room called? Let's pop some tiles down in here. We'll just use this. So folks watching, this is what I'm talking about. You could build your own little rooms. We just need some space to spawn bots. Because you can only have one avatar per tile.
You probably
So
invented
you could-
NFTs.
Oh, you mean like could like make things in Kynto NFTs. Yeah, every room could be one. Could be all sorts of stuff. It's kind of a shame what happened to that stuff. Like, it was mainly because of people saying they were going to code something and release something, but like not.
It reminds me of NFT type stuff.
Oh look, so we got a ton of avatars, right? So imagine we have a banging chat room, let's make them spread out. Oh, we gotta debug that. Let's go have a wee look here. Room spread NPC is not a function. Okay, because it's NPC spread. I'm a dummy. Yeah, so guys, we could support a bunch of people chatting. Well, I may spread some more in. Spawn. Let's do it again. And let's keep spreading them.
That's a ton of people.
And it works. So like there's not even enough room for them to all spread out. And all the clothing is actually using people's wardrobes that have already customized their avatars. So these are like ghost avatars of people that have created accounts in Kynto. Let's see how many are in that room. It's going to take a couple of seconds to update.
You expanding the world.
Definitely building it to scale, that's for sure. What's some fun commands I could do with all these bots? Like, what do you want to see me do with them? Oh, and everyone has a pizza. Don't know if you see that. Let's make this room bigger so we can have them spread out more.
Should make a world as big as RuneScape.
You know the main thing is? It's definitely possible. I've coded procedural generation in this for like mountains and stuff. We'll give that a second, we'll try it. Because it does... Yeah. That's the idea, man. That would be sick. So what would you say the main, like, mechanics is of RuneScape? What makes you want to play it? And again, cheers to Melody Zenith for letting us use music while we're testing here tonight. My fault for not getting more tracks, we're just playing the one that I really like.
That's a good question.
Yeah, that's the question I always have, like try to distill what it is that draws people. So with Kynto, instead of like trying to build a game, I've just kind of built a platform or a framework where people could build their own games in it. And, you know, I could start the process, but I always say I'm not that smart enough to make a game, but I can build the platform for others to build games. Alright, let's try this.
It's just so expansive.
And PH, you're one of the people that have seen the most of this. It just keeps going, doesn't it?
Like all
Most of these-
skills go to 99.
Oh, okay, RuneScape, yeah. Most of these bots are trapped. Can't get them out. Totally just flood the system and it takes it.
So wood cutting is needed for fire making, fletching, sailing, and crafting.
Okay.
Mining is
That
needed
wouldn't
for
be-
smithing.
So you need to be able to collect wood, metal. Let's see what other commands we could add. I already did. Search. Yeah, let's do that. Because then you could have bots acquire resources for you from chat.
It has quests and a storyline for each NPC's life.
Ooh, okay.
Overall, it's a strategy game and everything gets used and is needed to get access to other skills or areas, etc.
In the office we have AC power for the camera, but we're running from batteries tonight because I don't think we were going to be on too long. Come on, do it. Come on, you can do it. So now they're all searching for resources, but there's nothing here for them to find. And most of the bots are trapped by all these other guys on the outside because all these tiles are marked as impassable just by them, like, standing on them.
Face with tears of joy.
So hopefully that answers the question about, like, how many people it would take to break this. I don't think we'll be running into that for a while. And if we do, we're doing great. Overall, it's a strategy game and everything gets used and is needed to get access to other skills and areas. Okay, interesting.
Stress testing.
Yeah. Plus another fun command for people to mess with. I do want to give some semblance of the ability to create chaos from chat. Like they're all delivering pizzas, do you see it? Here's your pizza.
My GF said, he's never played RuneScape.
I only went on RuneScape and chatted to people. Honestly. Didn't get very far. But yeah, I was mucking about in there maybe like 2007 or so. Like I mainly went on there, chat people and be like,
Only social, haha.
Yep.
Gotcha.
I think the couch test went pretty well, eh? What's this look like with the site on top of it? Ooh, you hear all those avatars load? That's crazy cool, man. You see them all behind it. It's all real-time system. Light in the background a bit so it's easier to see. Do you see all the positions being calculated and sent out? Right, what were we doing? We're going to make this background lighter, right? Okay. I just want people to immediately see when they come on Kynto. Like, this thing is alive. You can interact with it immediately. Drop your email so you can get notifications when I go live. Like, every creator will have their own little landing page that uses it like this. This will be my one. Dope PH. That should be really helpful. We should do a RuneScape stream. Wonder if Dylan's played it. But it's definitely at that point where it doesn't take too much work to really highlight what it is and market it, right? Like,
Rumble would love that, haha.
oh really? Sweet. I didn't start the Rumble stream up tonight actually, I should have. We just coded live chat for them. Oops. What I need to do
I don't
is
know,
add
maybe, haha.
I think a RuneScape stream would do well even on YouTube, honestly. But it'd be a good experience for me to see what the game mechanics are and get some ideas out of it. Let's do a little screen recording here. Or I could clip it and send it, okay. Cool, got it. That's too light. This looks like crap right here, we have to fix it. Have to get some images in here as well, some screenshots. and code lead form. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to integrate the login page directly into the page. Right now it's a pop-out, so check it. Log out. See what I'm saying? There's so much to... The biggest part of this whole quote-quote marketing step we're moving into now is actually hiding features. Look at all those pizzas, man. It's really good. They're completing their deliveries successfully, if you ask me. Give it another 5 minutes or so and then we'll start wrapping it up. Might have to take like a bloody Benadryl so I can actually sleep. Terrible thing to do that has been associated with like Alzheimer's and stuff, so I really don't like it. It's so cool, man. PH, let me ask you, what do you think should be included on the landing page for Kynto Live?
All of its features.
So what I'm going to do for that is we're going to have separate domains and landing pages depending on the feature that I'm trying to advertise. That way it's not too overwhelming, right? Like Kynto Live is just going to be all the chat integrations and the ability to host streams and podcasts, boot camps, musical concerts. So that's the thing we're focusing on here. You won't even be able to see the room builder or any of that in this. If you want to do that, you'd have to go on like playkynto.com and then you'd be able to build rooms and customize them. And there'll be a landing page that just explains all the building stuff, right? Like what's possible with that. So, and we might just have a generic landing page that touches on all of these.
Oh, this is like a pitch?
Yes, yep. 100%. So that's why I'm saying, like, the main thing here is actually hiding features and disabling them. So when someone comes on the site or the stream, they're like immediately like, oh, I know what this is. Quickly blank my screen here. I'm gonna check if I should have turned on Twitch chat.
I'm kinda lost.
Oh.
My GF was talking, so I wasn't fully listening.
Okay, no worries. Yeah, it's essentially like a pitch. We're
I
gonna
told
have
her
one,
to
the
hold
first
on a
one we're
sec.
doing. The first one we're going to do is Kynto live chat and the podcast stuff in Kynto. So just wondering what I should add to this site to help sell that.
I don't know, it's hard to see. But honestly, from what I do see, that looks solid.
Sweet. Let's keep working making it look better. Get some like more screenshots in. Let's go downtown and make a bunch of bots.
What's in a snickerdoodle?
I actually don't know. What is? Oh, they're all up there. Okay. Oh, now we're getting some lag. This is a big old room, and all the avatars are trapped.
Cookie dough dipped in cinnamon and sugar.
Oh, that sounds fire. Get to see it render in slow motion, look.
Then baked.
Nom.
Baked as me.
Yeah, mate, it got bloody cold here in Florida, man. I slept at the beach caravan for like an hour. Woke up at like 4 AM. Giant fireworks going off, and it was like 40 degrees inside. I'm like, hey, I'm driving home. Put the heat on. Lag. Because all these bots are trapped.
$37 here.
Yeah, that's too much. So when I walked to the beach, I did a little live stream, right? Maybe around 2 AM. When there was police all over A1A. Turns out Trump was hosting an event 4 miles away. I had to like use the crosswalks and stuff. It was crazy.
And you were dressed like a hitman, lol.
In GTA. There's not a single place for any of these avatars to go. Everyone's trapped. Prison planet. Oh, there they go. Right, cheers for hopping on PH. Gonna shut this down so we can get back on tomorrow. The goal is to just keep going. Anyone else listening, make sure you join the Discord. It's in the profile links. And make sure you're subscribed. Because one day, these avatars might actually just be people.
You leaving?
Yeah, man. 3:30 AM, I'm already going to take hours to fall asleep. Try to get sorted. But we're set up to do couch streams, so...
Sleep well.
Yeah, cheers, buddy. You too. And thanks for checking in. Right, let's see if it all shuts down successfully.